Welcome. If you've ever muted messages from a specific chat on Instagram and now want to start receiving notifications again, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unmute messages from a specific chat on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your chats. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. This looks like a paper airplane. This will open up your direct messages and display all your conversations. Next, scroll through your list of chats and find the conversation you want to unmute. If you have a lot of messages, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the chat you're looking for. Once you've found the right chat, click on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see an info icon, which usually looks like a small eye inside a circle. Click on this icon to open the chat details and settings. A new menu will appear on the right side of your screen, showing different options for this chat. Here, you'll see a section labeled Mute Messages. If this option is currently enabled, it means you've muted notifications for this chat. To unmute, simply click to disable the Mute Messages option. That's it. You've now unmuted messages for this specific chat. From now on, you'll receive notifications whenever you get a new message from this conversation. If you ever want to mute or unmute chats again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for joining me today. Now you can stay connected and never miss an important message on Instagram.